We're going to start working with the inside pages on our brochure before we come back and finish up the cover. I'm going to go to the area called Pages over in my Adobe Doc. I'm going to click on Pages, and we see that we have one page already created. Down in the bottom there's this little icon that says Create a New Page. I'm going to click, and it created a new page. In fact, it's moved us to that new page. Let me click to close this off. And we have a new blank page. Now you may be thinking, why did we do that? After all, Microsoft Word is smart enough that when I get to the bottom of a page, it gives me a whole new page to start working with. Well, that's true, but this is desktop publishing, and one of the things that we want from desktop publishing is total absolute control. And that basically means that it will not create a new page unless you tell it to create a new page, which we've done. So we have our second page now. Let's create a text box. I'm going to click on the text tool, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag across the two columns and all the way down to the bottom of the first two columns and let go. And my cursor is now blinking inside this particular box that we have just created. And I'm going to flip over to my web browser for just a moment. Now, it may look different when you're looking at it in class. The numbers may be different or whatever, but that's not the point that I'm trying to make by bringing this up. There is a link where we can click that says copy, click here to copy the text for the second page. When I click, up pops this whole new page of text that we're going to use. So I can do the Command A for select all, Command C for copy. Now I'm going to switch back to my InDesign document. My cursor is still blinking, and if I do a Command V, I can paste all that text in. And that was a lot easier than going back in and trying to type all this information. With my text tool still selected, I'm going to draw another text box out, and now I'm going to take my selection tool. I'm just going to click in the text that's already placed, and we can see this box that has the red plus sign in it. That means that there's additional text, so I can click on that, and I've captured that additional text, and I'm just going to move it into the other box. And now we have safely moved all that text. We have threaded the text from one text box to the other. A Command S to save, because we don't want to lose what we've done. And now we're ready to start working with our next assignment.